Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Cultivate wisdom. You don't need to accumulate knowledge to become wise. Anyone can become wise. When you become wise, you respect your body, you respect your mind, and you respect your soul. When you become wise, your life is controlled by your heart, not your head. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials close up 2, NASDAQ down 10, S&P's off 4.5, gold contract up $14, trading at $1,592 an ounce. Silver up 29 cents at $29.15 an ounce. Platinum down $10 at $1,595 an ounce. Copper up 3 pennies at $3.55 a pound. Light sweet crude up 45 cents, trading out at $92.51 a barrel. Bonds up 21 ticks at 141.19. You had the bond market reject that lower swing point yesterday. Bottom line is that she's going to start pushing into that 144 area right now. You're at the 141.19. King dollar basically flat to slightly higher at 82.58. But that bottom line, she's amazing what she's doing, actually. King dollar, folks, number one wants to go to 84.25. It looks like we got a very large ABC structure up, however, bringing it into the 89 area. Euro down 13 ticks, trading at 130.33. Now, that's after the euro basically did a nice counter-trend bounce from the downdraft of last week. The euro got up to about 130.70. Gave it up in price. Yen is at 95.98. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look. And what do you have? You really get a flat market. You know, we're down $4, but it's a flat market. You're up here again with 605 million versus 598. We go over to the Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. What you have inside the Dow Industrials is that the Dow Industrials, folks, inside that market, they only have green paint. Okay, so what do we have? Dow Industrials up $2, no juice whatsoever, and bottom line is that it's crawling. It's crawling, but, you know, it hit green. NASDAQ composite, different animal. What do you have with the composite? Composite basically down $10. You can really say that was a flat market also. You know, you got to a low out here of 32.29. You closed out at 32.42. Had 1.6 billion shares traded. But let me tell you something, folks. Apple's in big trouble. What you have with Apple is this. She's been building cars. She had a shot yesterday to do something. Shot this morning, actually, because what she had done yesterday, she, you know, came back into a lower swing, you know, had lighter volume intraday, popped yesterday, gave it all back. Gave it back in spades, too, by the way, because what Apple did do intraday out here, the last trades out here, right into those lows with monsters. Bottom line, that's inside the NASDAQ, inside the NDX 100. It's going to be Apple that, bottom line, just has that indice and the NDX 100 coming back low. Gold market. Now, we had with gold out here is this. Deviance, man, this is deviant big time. So gold's up $14. You did 137,000 contracts, not enough. You know, you're coming into 260,000 contracts. The gold equities themselves, just as deviant. You know, if you go look at the Gold Corp, well, first, no, Rango Resources, what you'll see, none of them could hold price. What they were doing, they were coming into the February 20th levels, couldn't hold price. Bottom line, we're going to see the bottoms being tested. I suspect we're going to be seeing lower prices. Bond market. We take a look at bonds. What we had out here with bonds is that the bond market right now, she went up 21.6, 289,000 contracts. She's clearly back inside the larger range right now. And what bonds had done, this is important to understand now, is that on the 25th of February, he had huge price spread, accelerated volume, all of the above. The bonds, this contract here went from 141.25 to 144.13 in one day. Went up with monster volume. That's when the turn, the rollover was just taking place. We did 512,000 contracts on this contract. Bottom line, that says two different things. Number one, you're going to get to that high again, which is 144.26. But more important is that the way that broke topside, folks, on the 25th, that's setting up that the bond market wants to get up to that 148 area. And that, no doubt, will be pretty extraordinary. We take a look at the euro. What you had with the euro today is this. And when the euro did start breaking, it was really interesting. Not that the Dow broke, but the S&Ps were breaking. The euro, folks, today got up to a price point of 130.74. And when that baby was up there, bottom line is that, all the markets were green. That baby turned fast, came right down to the 130 to 129 area. And bottom line is that the S&P couldn't get back into the positive once that took place. Some of the high volume stocks we have out here in a low volume market still. You had Research in Motion give back 43 cents. Let's see. Microsoft was up 4. Citigroup was down 65. We're going to go over to those financials and see what's going on there. Intel was off 5 cents. Yeah, J.P. Morgan Chase down 20. Wells Fargo was off 47. If we start with J.P. Morgan Chase and we take a look at J.P. Morgan, flat market, no big deal. Bank of America, let's see what she's saying. Bank of America, a slight roll downtown. If we go to energies, we take a look at ExxonMobil. With ExxonMobil couldn't handle the swing point higher. This minute consolidation. Exxon is actually going into the November downdraft, and it's having a hard time getting into that downdraft whatsoever. That downdraft came in, folks, with 19 million shares, and right now she's doing 11 million shares coming into that area. Let's go over to the oil market. We haven't been looking at oil for quite a while out here. So oil right now, let's see, this is going to be pretty. This is going to be a beautiful ABC down. That's what it looks like. So this it is. So this contract here, your A to B point, your A point is $98, your B point is 89. That's good. That's $10. You very well could have got the C in place today, which would give you an 83 oil. And the swing point out here is 86. Let me bring this back a bit. It's going to get interesting to see how this shakes out. And what that move is going to be all about, folks, CL1. What that move is going to be all about is that it's going to be about the king dollar again. This baby, this dollar wants to move, and when you get the velocity of that move, so let's see, 86, 77. Yeah, 86 is pretty easy, actually, because what you have is this. See, this has been in a consolidation for quite a while. The bottom of this consolidation that has been trading in since 2010, the bottom of this consolidation is actually $75. So 86 is not going to be a stretch on the way down out here. 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. And we go take a look at let's go take a look at Walmart, see if Walmart is hanging out here. So Walmart did today up 62 cents at 73.60. She had an expansion of volume, but what she couldn't do is get over that last swing she had yet. So we'll see. What that says, however, is that says that she'll make another run for it. Verizon, VZ, Verizon out here today had a little jump up, no doubt. And this is a strong stock, folks. This is one strong stock. If you're looking for something to get on a pullback, this is the baby you want to take a look at. What you have is this. If I pull this back and we put this back 15 years, what you're looking at is that you got in, up, and over of the last swing point in 2007, and, folks, you did it with volume. Okay? So that price point was $43. What you also have, though, and which is so cool, is that this equity doesn't have volume at the all-time high, which is $62. It's going to be really easy not only to get up into that area, that'll be 100% move. So you couldn't expect to get over that ASAP, but I suspect that's where Verizon looks like it's heading. We were at $48. Looks like Verizon's heading for that for the $62 level. And, you know, bottom line is that, yes, it's 1999 till 2013, but it's pretty amazing. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. Folks, if you happen to be in the San Francisco area, this coming Saturday, 8:30 to 12:30, Nadex is sponsoring a workshop. Daryl, Mott, and myself, absolutely free. We're going to be there. We'll come right back, folks.